We start with Pakistan, where new details have surfaced in the case of the alleged forced conversion of two Hindu sisters in Pakistan. The Sindh government report submitted in the Islamabad High Court now says that the husbands of these two women failed to mention that they were married earlier in their certificate. The report claims that the first wives have expressed serious concern over the second marriages of their husbands, which was done without their consent. Remember, seeking the consent of the first wife for a second marriage is a legal requirement as per Pakistani law. Lawmaker Ramesh Kumar Vankhwani, who has founded the Pakistan Hindu Council, says that the Islamabad High Court must reconsider the case in light of these new details.
कि सिंध गवर्नमेंट ने जो इंक्वायरी की है उसके अंदर 2002 और 2003 जो है वो बर्थ डेट बताई गई है कि जन्म की तारीख है उनकी, और दोनों बच्चों ने इस्लाम की तालीम के मुताबिक पुरानी बीवी से भी जो है वो इजाजतनामा नहीं लिया गया और इवन निकाहनामे के अंदर भी वो मेंशन नहीं किया गया है। तो मैं समझता हूँ ये सारी चीज़ें गलत हुई हैं और इस केस को इस्लामाबाद हाई कोर्ट को दोबारा टेकअप भी करना चाहिए और हमारे पास भी ऑप्शन मौजूद है कि हम सुप्रीम कोर्ट में भी इस हवाले से जा सकते हैं। दूसरा ऑप्शन ये भी मौजूद है कि 14 मई को वैसे भी चीफ जस्टिस इस्लामाबाद हाई कोर्ट ने ये रिपोर्ट मंगाई है तो उस हवाले से हम वहां पे इस हवाले से बहस करें, मगर मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूं कि फोर्स्ड कन्वर्जन इश्यू है।
Meanwhile, phone records of the converted girls show that they kept in touch with the men that they married for a long time. Remember, on Thursday, the Islamabad High Court had allowed both girls to reunite with their husbands, rejecting their parents' contention that they were kidnapped and forced to convert. The court had also said that the two were old enough to make their own decisions and that they weren't forced to convert. The teenagers had left their home on March 20th to be married in Punjab, where the law doesn't bar marriages of those younger than 18. The police also detained 10 people in the case and registered a formal case of kidnapping and robbery on the basis of the girls' parents' complaint.